This lesson plan is based on the topic land pollution and its impact. The subtopic causes and effect of land pollution. First of all, this is directed to a grade 9 class, which is in a limited of time of 1 hour and 30 minutes. The specific objectives of the lesson plan are: after sharing a PowerPoint presentation with the main causes of land pollution, students will be able to identify the primary causes of land pollution, describe the effects of land pollution on human health and the environment, analyze and propose solutions to mitigate the land pollution in their communities. This lesson will start with an introduction of which students are going to be asked to share what they understand by the term land pollution, followed by a discussion with their initial ideas and write them on the board. So the teacher is going to be taking the ideas of the students and writing or take notes of the ideas, taking in consideration what they share. Then teacher briefly introduce the topic and explain the objectives of the lesson plan or this lesson. So on the development, we have the stage number one, which is teacher presents the main cause of land pollution using this PowerPoint presentation, and then teacher explain how factories and industrials release harmful chemicals and byproducts onto the land, followed by the discussion of the pesticides, herbicides, or fertilizers and their impacts on soil quality. So, it's followed by the teacher asks students to describe how mining can lead to soil erosion, deforestation, and their toxic substances. It can affect and as well become land pollution. So the teacher ask or engage the students by asking questions and encourage them to share their own observation and experience. So the teacher gonna ask them and will encourage them to share whatever they think on the topic land pollution. Then the teacher divides students into small groups to organize them to a field trip. So students will be exposed into a field trip to see with their own eyes and experience what is land pollution. So students distribute the data collected during the field trip. Then the teacher asks each group to analyze the data and identify potential sources of land pollution in the area visit. Then the teacher has them discuss the possible effect of this pollution and prepare a summary of their findings and conclusion. So students will be involved in their findings. So students brainstorms possible solution to mitigate the land pollution. So they won't only be there to identify the problem but as well to find a solution to the problem. Then teachers encourage students to find creatively and propose innovative solutions. So teacher discussed the role of individuals, communities, and government in addressing land pollution. In conclusion, teachers summarize the main points of the lesson. Students retire the importance of addressing land pollution to protect human health and the environment. Then, whatever question the students may have, the teacher will be able to answer the questions. And then the homework will be given, which is students will be write one page essay discussing the cause and effect of the land pollution in the community and proposing three specific actions that they might take to reduce the land pollution. Thank you.